This next presentation might just cause some salivation. Here's extra cheese.
There's a story behind every order. Might want to start your video recorder. It's like Shakespeare, only shorter. The Whopper-esque play. Extra cheese had long been chosen to see where the others had been going. Tears welled up and kept on flowing. Boo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Extra cheese was melancholy while all the others were so jolly. Till a fella said, by golly, make it my way. Now extra cheese, Mr. Farmer.